How to fix GCash app game not opening. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix this issue in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. GCash games requires a stable connection. So you can switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to test if it's a network issue. Step 2. Clear GCash app cache. Go to your phone settings and then go to the apps and then Gcash and then storage and then tap clear cache. And this refreshes the app without deleting your data. Step 3. Go to the Play Store and or App Store and search for Gcash and then tap the update button if available because outdated versions often cause bugs with the games. Step 4. Check app permissions. Ensure that GCash app has access to your internet and storage. So you can check it and by going to your settings and then apps and then GCash and then permissions and allow all necessary ones. Step 5. If nothing of there works, you can uninstall and reinstall the app. After logging back in, the game section should work properly. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.